there you go, guys. Happy Sunday, everyone. And today is first Sunday of the month, January 5th. So, nag-church mi kaganiha. Then, as you can see, nagatindog pang Christmas tree sa likod. Wala pa na ako siya tago. Tungod kay napay Three Kings. Three Kings daw. So, mag-open ko mga regalo karon, no? Gift from my friends for Christmas. Wala pa na ako siya na-open tanan tungod kay super busy ang career. Super busy every day. So, I have lots of gift to open. And, you know what, guys? I'm so happy. Di ba, lipay kita pag naatay gift nga madawat. It doesn't matter kung unsa man ang sulod. Because, for me, it's really that counts. Kaya, thank you so much sa mga friendship na nag-effort para sa gift, para ila kong matagaan. Diba? So kini siya from a special friend. I love pink. Siguro kabalo siya na mahilig kog scarf. Yan. It's beautiful. Dagdag sa akong collections, guys, kasi I have lots gida. I have daghan kog mga scarf, daghan kog mga gipang palit tungod kay gusto na ko siya and I love it. Oh my gosh, ginatanon na ako ang tsura sa camera. Grabe nagdako kay kuoy. So, nag-weigh ko this morning. O, you know what? Nag-abot ko diri sa Canada 2016. I'm only 45 kilos. Then, after, how many years, B? 8 or 9? So, now, nag-weigh ko 61.65. So, nigawas na yun ako ang nibalik na ako ang sige lang. There's always a way daw. And another one. By the way, this is from Catherine, my friend. This is from Bea. Tara na to, Bea. Wala pa mo ko nag-ilis, guys, kaya di kami nag-church. I think this is wine. Wala, ito open. Oh, there you go. Ayan wine. Magpakalasing tayo mamaya. Joke lang. So, thank you, babe. Ouch, my God. Ang laboy, po, babe. Ito, anan. And, this one. I think, what is this? I love it. Let's open this one. Card. Christmas card. Merry Christmas! Kinabasa na ako dyan. Guys, medyo ngit-ngit. So, let's see the menu. Oh!
Sorry,
my God, you
sorry.
scared me, B.
Sorry.
You scared me, B.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
To Ate Rodith, may the magic of Christmas be yours. See. Thank you, Ate, for being my friend. I want you to know that I appreciate you. Love, Michelle. You know, but B, it's so nice if there's lights here. Like the lights.
We should change lights. Getting dark.
So guys, nalang ko'y info gamay. napansin ako diri sa Canada, ang mga balay, pag magpalit ka, walay suga sa like sa living room. So murag feeling nako gusto sa mga puti. Ilang balay medyo dim. So ikaw na lang kung makapalit kag balay, ikaw na lang ang mag-initiate na magbutang og mga light. So karon si Habi ang gibutang isa ka light lang pero so maning light nga gibutang niya medyo dim po. Diba? So it's so nice pag naagyo yung light. Sobra po siya ka-busy. Oh, I love this. There you go. Thanks, Shell. Munang kuan, di ba pag naga-video, it's nice if there's lights para murag maklaro-klaro po nga dita itom, oy. Para maka-help ba ang light. Thank you, Shell. Yan. Another one. I think this is from Maribel. May nakabalot. What is this? Oh, wallet. Para sa mga coins. Wow, may pampaswerte, guys. May coins siya. Thank you. Nice. And me. Oh. Cover girl. B, can I have your light? So hard for me to see the words here.
Can you read it?
Olive color.
Lip color.
It's beautiful. And this one is perfume. I think this is for your dad. Bango. Bango niya. Nice. Para pwede ni Luis dadon. Pang pocket lang ba? How about this one? Let's tear this. Oh. There you go. Hand cream. Let's try this. Oh, wala na pa dami. There. Nice. What? Thanks, Belle. And this is from Sweet Dolly. I'm gonna open this one. Ulitin ko na to. Oh, she knows that my favorite color is green. Thank you, sweet. Wow. My favorite color. Oh, I love this. CBO. It's beautiful. Thank you, sweet. Kailangan ko na talagang magpalit. Ayan. Thank you so much. So, dito lang yan. Then, this one is from my friend na nasa Pilipinas ngayon. From RG. Oh, Punitin ko na nga to. Wow. I love this. Thank you. Let's open. Let's open. Ah. Open na natin. Ganyan siya dapat, oh. Wow. I love it. Oh. As in, ano siya, kanang nagdikit yun maayo. B, I need your light again.
Oh no.
It's so hard to read the words, B. Look at this.
Can you read it? Winter in Venice. Ginger rose. Oh! In this.
I'll just open that later. Medyo mahirap ang pagbukas, guys. Thank you, my friend.
Wow.
And this is from Ate Sint. Yan. So, let's open. Ang laki ng gift. Ibaba ko, ate, ah. I love it. It's green. Ah. First ko kayo, be. I love that.
Oh.
I love it. Wow. Thank you, Ate Sint. Or Mars. Kumari na pala kami ni Ate Sint. Thank you, Mars. Thank you, thank you. So, ito yung mga gift na na-receive ko, guys. Di ba? Sobra ka maka-happy. Because, nag-effort imo mga friends para mahatag og gift sa imo, ha. So, ang kalipay di magud mabayaran, no? Unang, wala na ko masulti ba, basta thank you so much. Thank you. B. Turn it off. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.